Well, they say football's only a game, but you should try telling this lot. Without a doubt, it is the week's most eagerly awaited contest, a sporting event which has magnificent scenery as its backdrop. It is tribal, and it has aroused the most primal of instincts in so many of us, and we are glad to have you alongside us for it. Have a look at this. It is what you anticipate. Haaland! And that's what you call inspired goalkeeping.
Yeah, he was well placed to deal with that.
And we have our very first corner. And now a sudden chance to counter.
Well, Alessandro Nesta turns defence into an art form. If you like your defenders slick and quick, this is the man.
Am I right in saying he started out as a fullback?
Yeah, I think he may have begun his career as a fullback, but he became a central colossus.
Olise getting this one clear. Maldini. Oh, easy pickings there. It's Forlan. Oh, it's Batistuta. Batistuta! And he's there to get it away. And here's Forlan.
Forlan really was well marshalled there because he was denied the opportunity to turn.
Oh, super ball! He's got the shot away! Goal! Oh, beautifully dispatched. There was no reaching that.
He had the whole picture in his head, Peter. He didn't even look at the goalkeeper.
After 20 minutes is number 9, Erling Haaland.
So we have our breakthrough.
It's so often the case with goal scorers, little influence, and all of a sudden, bang.
And if you have just joined us, still just one goal between them. And the score is 1-0. Well seen, saw that coming.
That's great positioning, so good from him.
Oh, good read.
That was well played, well stopped.
And that's been intercepted.
He read that really well and stopped it.
And here's Haaland. Xavi. Oh, good take and a good big chance! They want to be quick to recover this. He's got away with one there. Corner number 2 then. Defending of the desperate variety. Well, now here's a good battle, bicep to bicep. Arsenal are looking to go forward now. That's ruffled a few feathers, but well dealt with.
If they want to counter, they could do with more speed.
And it's Forlan. Picked out brilliantly. Great hit! It's loose, and there's a race for the ball. In towards the back stick. And he's cleared it out of harm's way. It's run loose here. That is good alertness.
2 added minutes has been indicated.
Musiala. Olise. He's going to be disappointed with that. And that'll be the last act of the first half. Well, a very decent watch up to now, but just the one goal so far. It has been competitive and combative throughout. What have we learned from the first 45 minutes?
Peter, this is far from a lost cause. Yes, they've been hit once by a a pacey opposition, but they've asserted more control and look capable.
Leading a cagey game here. It's had its moments, and it's 1-0 at the break. So we're just settling back into this second half.
Well, if you're ahead, it's a good time to start moving the ball quicker, Peter. Entice your opponents out. See if you can open them up a bit more.
Seedorf. Rice. Nesta promptly onto that, and that is that. Chouameni. And Mosquera. Still just a single goal between the sides. And that interception was most necessary.
That's great positioning, so good from him.
Lewis Skelly. A noticeable change in the approach to defending here. Much more in your face.
Yeah, and if they're going to try and stop him in this fashion...
Goes in for the header! And it's come back out to him. Same again, same outcome.
They're just lacking a cutting edge, Peter, and while that's fairly obvious, the rest of their attacking play is actually quite good.
Substitution for Arsenal, number 7.
So,
Xavi.
time for changes
Number
on
10,
both sides, actually.
Seedorf. Number 9, Karl-Heinz Rummenigge. Number 15.
So, Jim, what are you
Diego
thinking?
Forlan.
Well, Peter, if
Number
they're
19,
attempting to see out the game with such a
Batistuta.
narrow advantage, there's room for trouble. And I just think they're sending out the wrong message. This could
Number 3,
backfire.
Varane. Number
Barella.
18,
Van Dijk.
Number 21, Son Heung-min. Number 5,
They're back in possession and ready to go again.
Substitutions taking place.
Cherki. Scholes. Oh, good read.
That was well played, well stopped.
Oh, it's a promising build-up, this. Plenty of really nice passing. Rafinha. Lam is there, and he can get that clear. Son Heung-min. He's under a lot of pressure there.
Arsenal really might just end up kicking themselves after that. That could well have been it.
Rijkaard kept aware, and it is reclaimed easily. And claimed it back swiftly. Cherki. Now it's Sorlot. Can he get it through? And it's Maldini. Not much time now for anything fresh to happen, I think.
Arsenal need to give it everything they have, kitchen sink included.
There will be 1 minute at a time.
No way through. Lewis Skelly. And that is as far